Meaning of detain.
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 Detain. The word detain means to keep someone in custody or to prevent them from leaving a place. When someone is detained, they are usually not freed to go and their movements may be restricted. This can happen for various reasons, such as if a person is suspected of committing a crime or if they are believed to pose a threat to others. The result of being detained can vary depending on the circumstances, but it often involves temporary confinement, questioning, and investigation, followed by release or further legal action if necessary.